All right, we are wrapping up a whole transmission clutch kit. This is going into a early Mustang for a Coyote swap. This one actually is going to be a T5, which T5s typically we don't use for the Coyotes as far as the torque capacity, but used sensibly, it is doable. You know, the transmission is a lot more stronger than what the factory says. So you have the clutch kit in here tucked away somewhere, and then you have the T5 transmission. This is going to a customer in Jakarta. We have the steel bell housing that'll be compatible, along with the proper zero balance flywheel, a hydraulic release, all the hardware, pressure release, braided fuel line, braided lines, mounts, yoke, etc. All available through speedymotion.com.